In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a new product in the price posting system. Please note, you are only able to add products if you have been designated as a manufacturer within the price posting system. Please see FAQs for additional information. First, please log into the system. Find Products and click it. Go to New and click it. Product details will require your trade name and your product name. For additional information, please see our FAQs. Once your trade name and your product name are entered, or your product name is entered, please click Submit. You should receive a confirmation that the product has been successfully created in the system. Once you receive that, please click the X to close the box. Your product has now been added to the system. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.